Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable magnification gestures on your Samsung Galaxy device. So let's start. First open your settings app on your Samsung Galaxy device. Now scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now tap on visibility enhancements. Now scroll down and tap on magnification. Now tap on use shortcut to magnify and turn this on. Now you'll get an accessibility button on the bottom right of the screen. To start or stop accessibility function, tap on the button. And if you want to switch between functions, then tap and hold. Now tap on got it. Now if you tap on accessibility button, a yellow border will cover the screen. Now if you tap on the screen will automatically zoom into that specific location. You can zoom in more by pinching in and out using your two fingers. You can move around the screen by swiping with your two fingers. And now if you tap on the accessibility button, the yellow border will close and the screen will zoom out. Now let's try this on the home screen. Right now I am swiping with my two fingers. Now I just pinched with two fingers and the screen is zoomed to maximum. And that's how you can enable magnification gestures on your Samsung Galaxy device. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.